further behind than I thought.
No, look, okay.